Hi guys, it's your girl Stacia Lynn. I'm the owner of Average Joy Scenic Candles. Well, today is Sunday and I decided to wash my hair. So it's still a little wet. I do not like washing my hair, I really don't. So it's a little wet right now. But hey, it's washed, it's clean. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with it afterwards. But this is my hair. I need to find me a hairstylist so I can go get it done every week. Better me keep washing my hair because I don't like to do it. So I need to go ahead and finish blow drying it because I need to go to the store and pick up a couple of things. So hey, let me know what y'all doing on Sunday. I went to church. Well, I watched it online. I didn't go inside the church house. I haven't been in there since this coronavirus stuff, and I'm not keeping it safe, guys. So let me know what y'all doing today. Anybody cooked anything? Hey, you can invite me over because I love to eat. So I'll touch base back with you again. So guys, my hair is dry a little bit more than what it was, but I was gonna flat iron, but that's too much work. So today is Sunday. I'm just gonna do a little cleaning up. I've been washing clothes. I have made my bed. Isn't it nice and pretty? So I'm just gonna do a little cleanup in the kitchen, do a little vacuum in the living room. And it's sad because your kid's not gonna help me. They, for some reason, run away from cleaning up. I didn't get this camera straight. It'll be good. I just cannot figure out how to straighten this camera when I'm doing stuff. Well, I'm gonna refer that. The holder. I'm gonna have to. So basically, I'm gonna start with the kitchen first and just do a little cleaning up. I'm loading my dishwasher and putting things away. This is basically my Sunday. Gonna fold up a couple clothes after these finished washing. I need to go back to the store. I went yesterday, but I forgot a couple of things. So I think I'm make some. I think I'm make some gumbo tonight. I'm gonna make some gumbo later on, probably. So this is it. This is my life for today on Sunday. I'm probably gonna put a mop tomorrow with a mop. That's just a super jet just to get some of the dirt and grime up that my kids make the mess. They don't just know how to clean up behind themselves. But oh, let me show you how to organize my pantry. This is my pantry. Now, I'll tell everybody, organizing is good to do. Don't get me wrong. It is good to do, to organize your stuff. But at the same time, when you go to buy something else and you need to put it in the cabinet, like I said, in the refrigerator, you have no spot to put it in. So I'm like, if I wouldn't organize, I would have, I think, more room to put stuff in. But hey, this is my opinion. So, I guess tomorrow we'll get ready to decorate the tree. Yeah, I just do not like to decorate, and my kid's not gonna help me. Gotta pull all that stuff out. Like I said, I still have a couple Thanksgiving decorations up outside my door. The pumpkin and the haystack. Hey, don't judge me. I'm human. So until next time, don't forget to visit abbyjoycandcandles.com. Follow me on Instagram or Facebook. Click subscribe and like at the bottom. Thank you so much. Y'all have a blessed day.